Today is a big day. I'm finally at the government vehicle check station because on my papers the weight and the body is all wrong, so I'm gonna fix that now, and they need to fix my chassis number. So I've been waiting for this day a very long time, and I'm not sure if I'm allowed to film in there, but that's why I'm using my phone. So yeah, let's do that. And my diesel UNIMOG performed well on the way to here. So let's go inside and get it done. My UNIMOG is now super light, no spare tire, nothing, no tools, so it's completely empty. So let's see how much it's on the weight bridge. I think a little bit above 3500 kilos. Yes, everything went well. So it's now official. I have all the papers correct how I wanted it. The weight on the papers is around 3500 kilos. It's still on truck license, that was my plan also. And also the engine is registered with the 5 cylinders. Even the OM617 is now on the papers, so no problems with any papers anymore. And here is a new chassis number, so also official. It's measured, it's weighted. I'm happy because this is a nice milestone. Now I can finally start like the real build to make it a camper and add weight, and doesn't have to worry about any weight bridges anymore. Yes, let's go back to the workshop. I'm back in my workshop, and my brother helped me to get it in because it's just a terrible entrance. So yeah, someday I will have a workshop with a way better door. But I'm really happy how it went today. The guy by the government check station was really serious. He was really and he was really nice. All the people there were just nice. So he really took the time to go over every point in the papers to check the weight, the measurements, the amount of seats, how many fuel. All the details were just checked and done. And also the chassis number that's now here is always an issue if they need to repair it, because they're gonna do a check to see if it's legal. So yeah, that people can get a lot of trouble when it's not okay, because then they just say your vehicle is off the road. So yeah, so I'm really lucky that that went okay. And also the biggest issue that they had was with the engine. It was already on diesel on the papers, and also the horsepower was correct on the papers, but someone made a mistake back in the days with the amount of cylinders on the papers. It was still 6 cylinders on the papers and now 5 cylinders on the papers. So they really were checking what is the official amount of cylinders by UNIMOG, checking other UNIMOG license plates to see what is the original motor. And then I also told them, this UNIMOG with a diesel, only a 5 cylinder will fit and not a 6 cylinder. So he really was checking like old documents of before I bought it. He had just a list of 15 PDFs with scanned papers, with handwritten notes of all kinds of workshops and check stations. So it was really good documented, but there was also on some papers a 4-cylinder petrol engine. So not sure what happened there, but he was okay with it. So yeah, I got it fixed on the papers. So now I can really start the real build. So now when I add any extra weight here, it doesn't matter because it's weighted and it never has to be weighted again. And I have now 1200 kilos to work with, but also the tire was not on the roof when measuring the weight. So yeah, there will be of course a tire on again and the tire crane and other tools. So that is probably 200 kilos. So I have 1 ton to build in the camper, but I want to keep it under 4 ton. I think that is a good goal to make it just lightweight and simple and basic. So yeah, this was a big milestone today. I finally got the papers done. So this was the one and only vehicle check that needed to be done. And from now on, no checks anymore. But I still need to keep the UNIMOG like road legal, that it brakes and that the tires are good. And so, but no government checks anymore yearly. So yeah, I can finally start the build. And thanks for watching.